Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss about shot size. As you can see the first shot, it is called the extreme long shot. It mainly used for showing location or the surroundings. It's not mandatory to show the actual subject in the shot. The next shot you can see is called by the long shot. It shows the subject from top to bottom. For a person it would be head to toes. Coming to the next shot, it is called by the mid-long shot. It shows subject from the knees up, as you can see here. Next one is called the mid shot. It shows part of the subject in more details. For a person, mid shot typically frame them from about waist up. Next one is mid close up shot. Generally it frames the subject from chest or shoulder up. As you can see here, this shot is called by the close-up shot. It fills the screen with part of the subject, such as a person's head or face. The last shot is called by the extreme close-up shot. It shows a small area of details of the subject, such as the eyes or mouth. So this was our discussion on shot size. Hope you liked this video and thanks for watching.